grade. So today we are going to review our rhythms. And since you are 5th grade, you have the most to go over. Congrats! So, let's start with an oldie but a goodie. The quarter note. Repeat after me, please. Quarter note. 1 sound. 1 beat. Ta. Quarter note. 1 sound. 1 beat. Ta. To draw a quarter note, you draw an oval, fill it in, and then a line up. This oval is called a note head. A quarter note has 1 note head, so it also has 1 sound. Next we have 1/8 notes. Repeat after me. 1/8 notes. 2 sounds. 1 beat. T, T. 1/8 notes. 2 sounds. 1 beat. T, T. Because 1/8 notes have 2 sounds, they have 2 note heads. So to draw them, I do oval, fill it in, line up, line over, line down, oval, fill it in. Quarter rest. How many note heads do you see here? The answer is 0 because there are 0 sounds. Therefore, there are no note heads here. This is a rest, so I'm going to say it quietly. Quarter rest. No sounds. 1 beat. Rest. Quarter rest. 0 sounds. 1 beat. To draw a quarter rest, here's my favorite really lame joke. Are you ready? To draw a quarter rest, kids say, "Oh, that looks hard." And I say, "No, no, no, no. It's ZC." Get it? Cause to draw a quarter rest, you draw a Z and then you draw a C. What? It helps you remember. So, quarter rest, Z and then a C. Half note. 1 sound. 2 beats. Ta. Half note. 1 sound. 2 beats. Ta. Again, we have 1 note head. So there is 1 sound, but so you know that it's a half note and not a quarter note, this note head is not filled in. So to draw a half note, it's just an oval and then a line up. Easy peasy. Now let's move on to our half rest. Half rest. No sounds. 2 beats. Rest. No sounds. 2 beats. Rest. To draw a half rest, you start with a line and then have a box and fill it in. Again, we're not going to have any note heads because there's no sounds. You know that it is a half rest because the box is only half full, so it floats above the line. So if it is above the line, it is a half rest. Next up is a whole note. Whole note. 1 sound. 4 beats. Ta. Whole note. 1 sound. 4 beats. Ta. So a whole note is actually the easiest to draw because all it is our oval. That's it. Nice and easy. You may notice that the whole rest looks a little different from our half rest. We'll talk about that in a second. First, let's repeat. Rest. No sounds. 4 beats. Rest. Miss Wissinger just tried to come in my room. Let's do whole rest again. Rest. No sounds. 4 beats. Rest. So our whole rest is going to have a line, a box underneath, and then that box filled in. The whole rest is going to be full and heavy, so it sinks below the line. Then we have a dotted half note. Repeat after me. Dotted half note. 1 sound. 3 beats. Ta. Dotted half note. 1 sound. 3 beats. Ta. So a dotted half note looks like a half note with a dot next to it. That's easy. 16th notes. 16th notes. 4 sounds. 1 beat. Ticky ticky. 16th notes. 4 sounds. 1 beat. Ticky ticky. For 16th notes, make sure you have 2 lines at the top. So 4 note heads, because there's 4 sounds, and then 2 lines at the top. That's how you know it's 16th notes and not 8th notes. Last one we're going to go over today is the triplet. Triplet. 3 sounds. 1 beat. Triplet. Triplet. 3 sounds. 1 beat. Triplet. You can tell it's a triplet because there's a 3 above it, and there's 3 note heads. Now, you are going to choose one of these rhythms, well, actually, not one, 2 of these rhythms, and you are going to draw that rhythm, and you are going to tell me what it is. So, draw the symbol and tell me what it is. And I hope you guys do something today that is not in front of a screen. Jump around, go outside, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.